Hello everybody, this is Andy with Intelligent Video Solutions, and in this short video we're going to talk about being able to control the preset location for your PTZ cameras for your scheduled recordings. To start, I'm going to first remind you what presets are for your PTZ cameras by going into my Observe tab and selecting one of my rooms that has a PTZ camera. Now this camera that we're looking at right now, I have presets set up for. This is what you're going to be able to designate for your scheduled recordings. You won't be able to use the full control and set to a certain spot, but you can create a preset and say, okay, this is where I want my camera to be looking when my recording starts. So that's what presets are. It's this drop down that you've already configured and put into here, and we'll be able to put that as part of the schedule. So let's go to Settings, Users and Groups, select the group we want to give this right to, and scroll on down to Rights. Within Rights, we'll find Schedule, and the last item in Schedule is Control. You can see here it even says this is the ability to configure a preset for PTZ cameras when setting up the schedule. So when you're setting up your schedule then, if you have that ability, go to Schedule, the plus button to add a new schedule, and you'll find this last button down here, which is Control. If there's no PTZ cameras, it's going to say there's no cameras with presets in the room. But if I change this to that child therapy room that we were just in, you'll see when I go to the Control, it's going to say, okay, where do you want this camera focused during this schedule? And I'll be able to dictate, which I had in my case was that stuffed animal. I want it on that corner of the room. So this ability right here is controlled through that checkbox under Schedule and Control. And that's the ability to allow a user group to control where the PTZ cameras are focused for their scheduled recordings.